हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज मैं करने वाली हूँ स्मोकी आई मेकअप विच इज़ माई पर्सनल फेवरेट आई लुक। सो प्लीज़ वॉच फुल वीडियो विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम। लेट्स स्टार्ट। To create a classic smoky eye, you will need 3 coordinating eyeshadow shades, but don't be afraid to experiment with more colorful shades. The key to creating a great smoky eye is a seamless transition between the 3 shades. Before we start the eye makeup, I will bake my under eye area to avoid any fallout. First, apply the full coverage concealer to create a flawless base for the eyeshadow. Use a wet beauty blender to blend the concealer. After that, take a fluffy brush and apply some loose powder to set your eye base. Gel liners are great to use for smoky eye makeup. Take a flat brush and start applying the gel on center of the lid. Take it towards inner corner and outer corner. Apply it all over your lid and don't take it above the crease line. Clean your brush and start blending from the edges and make sure there is no harsh line. Next, I'm using the same brush for matte shadow. Take the black shadow and apply it all over your lid in dabbing motion. After blending the black shadow, next I'm taking a pen brush to apply medium shade. Using pink shade to lower the intensity of black shadow, we can also use brown and grey shade. First deposit the color into crease and then blend. Always remember, never start blending directly. First deposit it and then start blending. Blending is the key, so blend in circular motion, adding layers to intensify the pigment until you have a smoky blend. Next step is lighter shade. Take a fluffy brush, pick up the light brown eyeshadow and apply closer to your brow. This shade smooth out the look. The key to creating a great smoky eye is a seamless transition between the 3 shades. Take a big fluffy brush and continue blending until you see no clear division between the 3 shades. Next is drop shadow. Gel liners are great to use for smoky eye makeup because they can quickly produce a bold black line and smudged out with a smudging brush. Apply the gel liner in waterline and take a small flat brush and smudge it with the black shadow. After that, take a small pen brush and blend your pink shade to lower the black shade. Use same technique as above. Dab the highlight shade on brow bone and inner corners of your eyes to make your eye look more bright and awake. And now apply the waterproof mascara for long stay and also apply the fake lashes to enhance the eye look. For final look, apply your nude lipstick and it's done. I hope you like this video. So let me know what you think in comment section and like this video, share this video, and thanks for watching. See you in next one. Bye bye. Take care.